Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Pinckneyville, local and long distance movers near me. You can customize your move with the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. There's nothing like the overwhelming feeling you get when you're realizing how big the job is to relocate. Our movers will help to make sure that feeling goes away by taking care of the actual moving portion of your relocation. Whether your long distance move is 100 miles or 2,000 miles away, we're here to help you. Choosing to hire an Illinois moving company means you get a team to help. Sure, it's a shorter type of move, but that doesn't take away the physical labor necessary. All of your things still have to be packed up and moved to a new location, and with our help, you get the right help to make your move happen faster. 3 Movers streamlines the entire moving process. We know how to get you settled in so much faster, and our team can handle even the largest move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Pinckneyville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.